vGallery Action Pack 3 is a collection of actions that give our imagery a different look and feel. It's basically a stylistic action pack. Some of the ones that we use the most are the V is for vintage option. We also use the proof image edge vignette quite a bit, but most of these actions we use. Let's play a couple. V is for vintage. This is basically just going to give the image a vintage look and feel. There's vintage over, vintage under. These are just going to be different variations of the option, of the action. So you can see this just kind of gives it a cooler, kind of vintage looking feel. The V is for vintage over is again going to give you a vintage look and feel, but it's kind of, this is a lighter, more gold one. Really neat look. And then the V is for vintage under, again a vintage action, give it a little bit slightly different look. A lot more subtle, but it's really creative action. The black and white enhanced is one we use quite often, and it is a kind of a brown tone and black and white mixture. But this is kind of based on our vGallery black and white and vGallery brown tone action, but it's kind of this unique kind of steel looking black and white. And there are quite a few other actions included. Proof image edge vignettes, just going to give the image a vignette. So a lot of these we use just to kind of create unique look and feel on our image beyond just a retouching action. So that is an overview of vGallery Action Pack 3.